Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Being Wendy. Make sure you like this video already. Click the bell button. Anyway, so I'm actually packing. Hi Dana. Dana has just woken up from her midday nap and so yeah, I am packing and I wanted to show you guys what I'm packing and yeah. So let me show you. This ain't So, honestly, my suitcase is almost full already. I have some sandals, I have a few dresses, maybe two, and I have a lasso, and I have some booty shorts, and some nice tops. And then my bikinis and my underwear are in this bag here. And then we're going to be there for 4 nights. I'll really miss Dinah, you guys. I'll really miss her. My bed is a mess, but yeah, whatever. I'll clear up the place. So I'm carrying my bag from my brother. I really love it. This is what I'll use to go around. And then I have my lippies. They're not inside, but they're there. I'm just going to put them inside. I'll be carrying this lipsticks, and I'm not sure if I should carry this. I got from a friend of mine. Maybe not. Maybe not this time. I'll just carry the two lipsticks, a concealer, because I'll do very minimal makeup. I'll only do my my eyebrows and yeah, a kajal and some hairbands. Yeah, basically that's it for my makeup. It'll just be eyebrows and lipstick at most. Because yeah, no one wants to do foundation and all that. Okay, at least I don't want to. And then I am getting my sunscreen is on the way. My nails are not the best. I'm going to just cut them and clean them up and trim them because I didn't have time to go make my nails this time. And then tomorrow, we're actually all wearing Midnight Confectionery t-shirts. I'm just looking for pants to go with this t-shirt. And I've already put, I'm just going to pack a few toiletries. I'm waiting for sunscreen. I've said that from my mom. Because she went out, so I told her to bring that for me. And I'll also need nail polish remover for my feet. I don't show you how bad my feet look. And yeah, basically that's it. I think I'm just going to carry two pairs of sandals because I'll be wearing one pair tomorrow. And yeah, the one I've carried. And oh, there's also for a gift for my secret Santa, and I don't know when we'll do it, tomorrow maybe, I guess. And then jewelry, I've just carried like two pairs of earrings, three pairs actually, a watch, and maybe some sunglasses that I have not yet packed, but I will. And obviously my notebook because I love to write. Hiya, Ibuhila, what's up? So because I love to write and I love to put my thoughts down, and then my Bible. Yeah, basically that's it. Is it? I don't think I'll be carrying too many things. Yes, I don't think I'll be carrying too many things because, God, this thing. Because I'm really trying to pack light. Clearly, I'm not packed light, but I am really, really trying. This is good because the light is coming from the side. Imbohila, she's not crying by the way. You're singing. Yeah, she's singing. So I'm really trying to hold on to my camera. So yeah, and then camera, I'll just carry one camera. I will show you guys later. And is it even in the house? I need to confirm if it's in the house so that I can carry it. And my phone obviously is the one I'm even using right now to record. And yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to carry my laptop because I wanted to go and edit there, but the things are going. I don't know if it'll fit or if I want to do that. but I just might carry it in case I'm in the mood to, edit and do some work and things like that. I will carry it, hopefully. Yeah, and I'll carry my headphones. I don't say my gals are boring, but just in case there's that time people are sleeping or something. I've never used the SGR, so tomorrow is going to be my first time. I'm really excited. I would have wanted Dana to come with, but yeah, her health comes first, yeah. So while I'll be away, Dana will be with her grandparents and my siblings, and she's going to be totally fine. She's so used to them. I think she'll be sleeping with my parents. I'm not sure, but we will see, or I don't know. So we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. And then what else? You guys, as I my hand, God, as I am preparing for tomorrow. This is Friday, so as I prepare for tomorrow, what I'm going to do is I have cleaned up my room. I made sure I did that because it's not going to be cleaned till I come back. And then I have made sure they all know where Dinah's things are, so I don't get calls all the time. Where's this? Where's this? Don't stress. And then I've made sure I've emptied our bin so that my room just doesn't smell bad. And what else? I'll leave everything in good order because you don't want to come back to your house and then you have clothes you haven't folded and things like that. You do not want that. So if you're traveling and things like that, make sure you do that. And then I have also realized I have not really, also my toiletries, my perfumes and things like that, I haven't packed, but I will be packing in a minute. So you guys, we'll see you guys at the SGR. Okay, bye. Morning, guys. So I can't be so loud because it's very early. It's 6. No one is up, just me. And yay, it's the day we're traveling. I can't believe I'm leaving Dinah. I cannot believe I'm leaving my child. I've never stayed away from her for even one day. 24 hours. Anyway, we're going to do this. Mommy needs to rest. And I'm actually in the kitchen. I'm ready. I'm in the kitchen. I want to make some breakfast for myself. I don't think I have time to make for everyone. And then I go pick Candy, pick the driver, and then get to his chair, and the driver will bring back the car. So yeah, let's do this. Hi guys, so I have just gotten to Candy's house. It's 6:55. Yeah, I'd hope to be here at either 6:45 or later 7. So I'm on time, in time, I don't know. And I'm waiting for Candy to come out right now, and she'll be driving. I am done. I'm actually tired. I slept late. It's not that I'm sleepy. I am not sleepy, but I just think I wanted to drive. She'll know this when she watches the vlog. I just want her to drive. Nothing personal. Yeah, so I'm actually waiting for her. I don't know what she's doing because she's supposed to be outside the house by now. I'm not even at the wrong house. Anyway, so yeah, Trixie has just called me. Called for her Uber, and then I'm not sure about Sharon, but Sharon stays so close to SGR, so I think she's going to wait for us to get to a certain distance, like close to SGR, so she can get out of the house. But yeah, so far so good. We're good. Yeah, bye bye. I love you, yes, you see. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Witnesses. Oh my god. The true thieves. Oh my god. Look at me. Actually in the Mombasa terminus, and I'm so excited. It's beautiful. Wow, 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 it's so beautiful. Yeah, we're here. We all wore the t-shirts, and yeah, it's exciting. So let's see what Mombasa has in store for us. Not Mombasa, but going to Malindi actually. So we'll give you details on how we get there. So yeah, bye. This is the view, you guys. So we are going to get food at, what is it called?
Simba Dishes.
Yeah, it's called Simba Dishes. So we are going there. We are getting a tuk-tuk. You guys, this is the best experience ever. Yeah, so bye bye.